Hi everyone, here again with Natalie, our Head of PPC, sharing some valuable insights based on our experience working with various brands. And since more and more accounts are qualifying to opt into Google Ads data-driven model, we would like to raise this topic and delve deeper into it.
Hi everyone, nice to see you all.
To introduce our audience to the topic, could you tell us what the attribution model is?
Sure. Attribution model is actually a rules or a set of rules that determines how credit for sales and conversions is assigned to each touch points in the whole conversion path. Most advertisers are used to measuring their success of advertising on the last click basis. So that means they give all the credits for conversions to the last click of ads and its corresponding keywords. However, this actually ignores the other ad interactions customers may have along the way of the entire customer's journey.
And how does the data attribution model differ from other models? Also, what requirements do accounts need to follow to switch to it?
So unlike the last click and first click attribution model, the data-driven attributions gives credits for all the conversions based on how people engage with your first ads and decide to become your customers. The model identifies patterns among these ads interactions that lead to conversions. So there may be a case that when certain step aligns with the way that they have higher probability of leading a customers to complete the conversions, and this model will give more credit. And so it is a fair to those variables and interactions to customers' path. In terms of the requirement of opting in the data-driven attribution model, the accounts need to gather at least 3,000 ads interactions and 300 conversions in the supported networks within the last 30 days. Actually, you will receive notifications and alerts from Google Ads platform when you can opt into these attribution models.
What in general should marketers be aware of when switching to this model?
I would say there are three main areas to be aware. First is to frequently compare the result and data using the model comparison tool on Google Ads. It is an interesting tool where you can find how the data differs when using different attribution models. And secondly, make sure you align the same attribution model with other analytics tools such as Google Analytics in order to have same level and matrix when it comes to data analysis. Last but not least, when selecting the data range for your analysis, a good rule of thumb is to exclude the most recent weeks to avoid the effects of time lag between the click and conversions.
Are they observing any significant changes in campaigns for our clients?
Up to this moment, we observe positive impacts on performance level. The reporting data could be shuffled slightly given more accounts opt into this attribution model, and there are some conversion shift between campaign, device, networks level, but we actually see the same level of total conversions and conversion values. This actually gives us more comprehensive views when it comes to data analysis and the credit of each ads interactions. We also think that based on experience, data-driven attribution models work well, especially with smart bidding. So in MediaGroup, we've been actively opting into smart bidding strategies for most of our clients, and it actually contributes better result when it comes to the data.
Thank you, Natalie, for joining me again in our POV series. And if you want to learn more about this attribution model, please read our new article.
Thank you very much, Val. You can also contact me directly if you have any questions.